Happy New Year, guys! The thing about New Year's is that we all make resolutions and we all try and follow them. Well, at least I do. So today I'm going to talk about a few of the most popular makeup resolutions that everybody at MyGlamm Fam is talking about. Number 1. Take your makeup off before going to bed. No matter how tired you are and no matter how lazy you are, you need to remove your makeup and wash your face before going to bed. Number 2. Clean your makeup brushes. You have to wash your makeup brushes once a week. Number 3. New you for the new year. Try something new, maybe a colored eyeliner, bold hues, a bold lip color. Just get out of your comfort zone. Number 4. Sunscreen is a must. Whether the sun shows up or not, you have to wear a sunscreen under your makeup. Number 5. Embrace the no makeup look. It is okay on some days to go barefaced. Let your skin breathe. Number 6. Organize, organize, organize. Check for expired makeup products and throw away things that you don't need. Declutter your cosmetic space and arrange everything according to their categories. It will just make your life so much easier. If you guys love this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to MyGlamm's YouTube channel, and for exciting offers, don't forget to download the MyGlamm app. For skincare resolutions video, click here.